Hi, I'm Amy Misakonis with ACF Solutions. ACF Solutions is a Salesforce Foundation partner and Convio Solutions partner, a market leader in customer relationship management software delivered as a web-based service. We've worked with new Salesforce.com implementations and on projects that enhance existing installations. We have developed this video demonstrating how social service nonprofit organizations can use Salesforce.com to support their mission. Today we will be showing you how case management functionality can be used to do 4 things. 1. Intake new clients. 2. Separate clients with various characteristics into different tracks. 3. Schedule classes. And 4. Record attendance for any client training or awareness programs your organization may offer. This demonstration will review an organization focusing on foster child and foster family support, training, and learning. However, the configuration and functionality can be customized to meet the needs of any social service organization with similar requirements. If your mission is to serve the homeless, senior citizens, drug rehabilitation candidates, or any of the many noteworthy causes, the configuration presented in this demonstration may be applicable to you. To begin, I will show you how client intake information can be customized and easily accessible on the contact record. In this example, I will illustrate basic intake information for a foster family interested in using this organization's resources for support, training, and education, as well as foster child-specific services. First, when the client calls or arrives to enroll in the organization's service, I use the search functionality to ensure that a record has not previously been created. Once this is verified, I begin to enter the intake information necessary to place the client and family in the best suited programs and services offered. To do so, click the Clients or Contacts tab and press the New button. You'll need to select the appropriate record type, family member, child, or non-client, and press Continue. Here you will see customizable information on the new contact record, including contact information, demographics, education, phone and address information, and any additional description information that may be required. Because of the ease and flexibility of Salesforce.com, contact information can be customized to meet the specific requirements of any organization. Security is also a top priority with Salesforce.com. If there is information on a particular family, child, or client that is confidential, roles and profiles can be set up with specific security rules that inhibit all non-essential personnel from viewing these confidential records. To do so, click on the arrow next to your name and select Setup. From the Setup menu, you can manage users. Here you can configure roles, permission sets, and profiles to address all of your security needs. For example, if a foster child has any medical or mental disabilities that require HIPAA privacy compliance, these records can be set up to be viewed only by the department within the organization that deals with foster families and children with disabilities. Now that the intake process is complete, I can review the needs and interests of the client or family to properly place them in the most appropriate programs. At this point, case managers can be assigned who will be the primary point of contact between the family and the organization. Let's choose an existing client. For this demonstration, I will choose a first-time foster family interested in training and joining a support group with other foster families in a similar situation. From the contact record, you can change the case manager by clicking the Change link by the contact owner, selecting the appropriate owner, and then clicking Save. I can now create a case for this family on the Family Services track by scrolling down to Services track and pressing the New Service Track button. You will need to select the appropriate record type and click Continue. Here the basic information is filled out. Once the Save button is pressed, the case is now accessible to register the family for training sessions and support group meetings. From the case record, I click New Registration to register the family for their foster family training courses. You'll need to fill out the basic information by first selecting the client, selecting his status, and selecting the appropriate course. Then click Save. A course registration record is now created and associated with the case. From here, the case manager can open the course record to verify if all classes have been set up for the course. Under the Classes Sessions area, no records are being displayed. The case manager or another employee responsible for courses can simply create classes by clicking the Create Classes button, and records will be created automatically for each date the course is offered. As you can see, this area has now been populated with records for each class session. Once a class is in session, the leader or instructor can use our custom attendance tracking page to log the attendance of all class participants. This can be helpful to organizations that require mandatory attendance percentage for their clients. To do so, click into the class record. A date will first need to be filled out for this particular session. Once this has been done, you would click the Submit Attendance button. All registered participants appear on the class attendance page. The instructor is able to log all absences, excused or unexcused, as well as those in attendance. Click Submit, and this information will be populated on both the class page and the client's course registration page. Because of Salesforce.com's highly flexible and easy-to-use reporting functionality, reports can be created for tracking attendance, client information, or to identify trends in the most popular and successful courses. This concept of course registration can be applied across many disciplines, including support groups or workshops. Another important aspect of case management functionality is progress notes. Let's return to the client in his case. We click on the client's service track and scroll down to the progress notes area. Here, a case manager can log interactions with a child, family, or client, set goals and objectives, and track the progression from intake throughout the client experience. This information can be used to set new initiatives within the organization. Let's create a new progress note. Here you can log in whether the client has attended or has been absent, how often the meeting occurs, the date of the meeting, and various other customizable information to take notes on your client interactions. As mentioned before, you can also set your goals and objectives here as well. Once you click Save, the progress note has now been saved on the service track record. I hope you have learned how Salesforce.com case management can help your service organization to improve your operations and reach your goals and mission. I also hope this demonstration has been helpful in sparking creative ideas and plans for the future of your organization. For more information, please contact ACF Solutions at info@acfsolutions.com or call us at 1-888-600-4223. You can also visit us on the web at www.acfsolutions.com.